Good morning to one and all. My name is Shivinila. I am studying 9th class Ignan English Medium School in Patpatnam. Today we are going to talk about joystick-based wheelchair. Abstract. The wheelchair is very useful for physically handicapped people by using robotics and intelligence system of the people. The power challenge can be used. The joysticks controls the wheelchair can be designed. The joysticks can be easy to operate. By using the joystick, control physically challenged persons can control the movements of the wheelchair.
Components explanation. Arduino is an open source of electronics which is easy to call hardware and software. Joystick. It can be used to sense movement in to access X and Y. Motors driver. The module can drive DC motors. Motor drivers. The module can drive DC motors that have voltages between 5 and 35 voltages.
Advantages. A joystick rail for the physically handicapped. Advantages. The joystick-based wheelchair can be useful in many ways. It is very important for the physically handicapped people. They cannot move anywhere, so they are always dependent on other people. For this reason, the wheelchair can be useful. Working.